How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. First is by opening your Snapchat app, and then the only way to fix this problem is to unfriend those friends on Snapchat that hasn't or you have less interacted with. So to do that, just go to your profile found on the upper left corner, scroll down, and look for My Friends right here. Click on that one and choose again the user or your friend on Snapchat that you have less and interacted with. For example, I will choose this one. So press and hold onto their name and then click on Manage Friendship right here and click on Remove Friend right here. So you may do this again and again to many people, and then you may now add more friends on Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can fix you have too many friends on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.